Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this checkerboard art. Let's open a new document. Click on the line segment tool, hold, and select the rectangular grid tool. Now double-click on it to open the options window. Set the horizontal and vertical dividers to the same odd number. I'm going to use 11. The higher the number, the more dense your design will be. Now click, hold and drag to create a square. Let's align it to the center of our artboard. Be sure Align to Artboard is selected and choose Horizontal and Vertical Align Center. Next go to View, Guides and select Make Guides. Let's bring the stroke to the front. Switch to the pen tool and draw a straight vertical line from the center to the top of this intersection. Click away to deselect and draw a straight horizontal line from this intersection to the center. Next, click on this anchor point to start another line. And then, while you are holding down the Shift key, click on this intersection to create a slanted line. Click away to deselect. Let's create another line from this intersection to this one. Click away to deselect. Another line from this intersection to this one. Next one from this intersection to this one. Another line from this intersection to this one. And the last one from this intersection to the top. Select everything and then press the letter R on your keyboard to switch to the Rotate tool. While you are holding down the Alt key, click in the center to set the rotation point. Type 90 into the angle window and then click Copy. Now press the Ctrl and D keys on your keyboard 2 times to repeat the last step. Select everything and then go to the Shape Builder tool. Select black for the fill and single-click on this area to create the first shape. Now click on every other space to create a checkerboard effect. Let's select a different color and create the remaining shapes. Press the Ctrl, Shift and D keys on your keyboard to see how it will look on a transparent background. And let's make the remaining shapes. Press the Ctrl and semicolon keys on your keyboard to hide the guides, or you can go to View, Guides and choose Hide Guides from here. Now select everything and set the stroke to None. Next, create a new layer and bring it below layer 1. Be sure the fill is on top and draw a rectangle the size of your artboard. Open the swatches window and change the color to dark gray. If you wish, lock layer 2 to prevent it from moving. Finally, select layer 1. Open Recolor Artwork from the top toolbar, double-click on this color icon, and change the color to white. Thanks for watching, bye bye.